Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.55 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Emission transition in the Pascal series end at orbit n is equal to 3 and start from the orbit n and can be represented by mu is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 Hertz 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n square. Now, calculate the value of n if the transition is observed at 1285 nanometer. Find the region of the spectrum also. So friends, first thing we need to find from which orbit this electron is coming. It is now dropped in n is equal to 3, they are telling. And they are giving the formula also for the frequency. Now first we will find what is given. The wavelength lambda is given, which is 1285 nanometer, which we will write in terms of meter, that is 1285 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now here they are telling that if n is equal to 3, the electron is reaching, it means it is called Pascal series, and when the electron falls in n is equal to 3, that is Pascal series, the region of spectrum is infrared. First thing that they are asking, find the region of the spectrum. So that is, we can write the region is infrared region. This is the answer for the second part of the question. How we are telling? Because for n is equal to 3, 4, 5 and so on, it is infrared region. We should learn that thing. Now come up to the main part of the question. Calculate the value of n. So we have given the formula mu is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon n square, and hertz, it means we can write hertz, the value hertz is equal to per second. We can write it here per second also. Now here mu is equal to, we knew that mu is equal to c by lambda. So we can use this in place of mu, because frequency we don't know but lambda we knew. So we can write in place of mu c upon lambda is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 1 upon 3 3s are 9 minus 1 upon n square per second. Now c value, we knew c is a velocity of light and its value is fixed. We will write it, value of c is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which in turn divided by lambda, it's given 1285 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter is equal to 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon n square per second. Now we'll start doing the calculation. First we'll cut per second with per second, meter and meter will be cancelled out. Now the next step will be, we will bring this 3.29 into 10 to the power 15 in the division form. So it will be like 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 1285 into 10 to the power minus 9 into 3.29 into 10 to the power 15, which is equal to 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon n square. Here we need to find the value of n. Our purpose is to find n. Now when we start solving the numerical values, we will get here, we can write it like this, 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon n square is equal to, now all the values when we do the calculation, we will get the value 0.0709. Now here 1 upon 9, we can write 0.111 minus 1 upon n square is equal to 0.0709. So from here 0.111 minus 0.0709 is equal to 1 upon n, we can write n square. So here we will get the value after subtraction, we'll get 0.04 is equal to 1 upon n square. So from here we will count the value of n. Let's see how. It's very easy. Remove the decimal. 100 we will put. So it is, we can write 1 upon n square is equal to 4 upon 100. Fine. Now 4 ones are 4 and 25. So n square is equal to 25. So we can write n is equal to 5. And this is our answer. The electron started from n is equal to 5 and it dropped to n is equal to 3. So here n initial we can write it is 5 and n final which is given, that is n3. So because the electron fall in the third shell, so the spectrum, it should be always infrared spectrum. And that is our answer for the question. So n is equal to 5 means the starting of the electron and region is infrared region. So that's all for today in this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. If you have any confusion regarding the calculations, please do write in the comment section. I will definitely help you. Till then, thank you.